Good morning.
Good morning. So it's day, I guess, officially 1 in Key Largo, and we're gonna go scuba diving
First time ever.
for her. So she got certified back in May, and I got certified back when I was a kid. And so we're going to go scuba diving for her first time ever in the ocean in Key Largo. So
I'm nervous. Somebody forgot their mask.
Hey, so we just got back from scuba diving.
First time ever.
Our first trip together ever, and your first time in the ocean.
Ever.
What'd you think?
It was okay.
It was okay?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good?
I'll give it a 9.4.
9.4, that's a solid score. So we're gonna take a little break and maybe take a nap and have some lunch. And we missed lunch. We'll have a little bite to eat before we head to the beach area.
Are you supposed to eat this? You're not supposed to eat
No, don't eat the seed. We got a guanabana.
Guanabana.
And just gonna try that for the first time too. I don't think you eat the seeds.
It's half of a guanabana.
Half. But we'll see how that goes. And probably go down to the beach area and have a couple of drinks, and then we're gonna go scuba diving again tomorrow. So that's all we got for now.